What's up my boys, what's up my men? I'm back again with another video. As you know, it's your boy Kesne, and tonight we're going to be talking a little bit about fixing our posture, okay? So look at my posture, man. You know, some of you guys, because of sitting down for so long or even having your backpack for so long has made you change your posture. And instead of looking straight like this, okay? Instead of looking straight, you are like this, okay? And that's how I feel now. I feel like, I'm going down this way instead of staying the way I used to be, because I sit down on the computer all the time and I spend too much time actually sitting on the desk. It's not good. So I feel like I am like this, okay? I've tried different kind of exercises where they say I could maybe be exercising, staying or fixing myself close to a wall and staying straight like this and count up to 50 every day, but this has not helped me as much. I've tried other exercises, it hasn't helped me very much. I came to see this posture corrector on Amazon and I think I'm going to use this, okay? Because I don't feel like I'm really the way I'm supposed to be. Your posture is everything, man. Your posture goes with your confidence. Your posture will go with how you look like and how clothes are going to be looking like, especially t-shirt and shirt on you. Even coats, man, you try to imagine you being like this in a t-shirt. Doesn't look good at all, okay? Look, man, bruh. I also drive a lot. So driving a lot can also mess up your posture, man. It can mess up your posture. And because you are like this all the time on the steering wheel and then you drive for hours every day, it's not good. Not good. So I'm going to try this posture corrector and I'm going to let you know how it's going to help me. They say once you start to use it, it can take a few weeks and you will start actually to feel the difference. And they say once actually you wear it, because it's like a vest, you can put it under your shirt or under your t-shirt, or you can even put it under your coat and nobody's gonna notice it. Once you wear it, straight away you feel it's gonna put you back into that man, confidence posture where you stand the way you should. And as you keep on wearing it, you can wear it anywhere. They say you can put it on while working, you can put it on while sleeping, you can have it on while cooking, showering and everything. Your body is gonna get used to it and it will go back to the way it used to be. Or even if you did not have a good posture before and you want to fix your posture, maybe your shoulders are bent a little bit like this, because so many things can cause your shoulders to bend. Like you have backpacks all the time full of books if you are going to school, or if you like to put on to carry your backpack, it can cause your back and your shoulders to squeeze themselves or to bend a little bit like that. I like to get myself back to where I was. I will order it on Amazon as you see, and then once it arrives I will make another video to share with you how I feel about it, and as I progress I'm gonna be updating you, okay? It was suggested to me by a friend of mine who has used it, and I can see his posture is really up. And they even say it's not only for boys, it can be used by girls as well. If you have your girlfriend, you can actually have them put it on as well. So a good friend of mine suggested it to me and I'm gonna try it. As I try it, I'm gonna let you know if it works, and you will all see, okay? If it works, you will see. If it doesn't work, we will all decide, okay? I have to go, my man. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I don't know what you're doing and I don't know what you are doing, man. Subscribe. The next thing you need to do, like the video, share it with your friends, tell them that we have a cure now to our posture, okay? Because we don't want to kill our confidence because we look like someone like this. You look so miserable and you look like someone who lost their mom in the market. Man, we need to get back that confidence in us, okay? So when you stand up like a man. When you walk like a man. And everybody sees you, they respect you, you attract people, okay? and that's how we do it. Okay, so stay tuned. I will be back in a few with another video to let you know how this thing is gonna be working, man. Peace.